as you can see in these images and multiple images of celebrations that are taking place across Gujarat, not just at the party headquarters, but it's as if the state has literally and figuratively been painted saffron. Party workers, they've burst crackers, they're distributing sweets, they're chanting Modi Modi, they're wearing Modi masks, dancing, they're hard out to celebrate this unprecedented victory. Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be at the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters at 6:30 this evening. He will be addressing cadres. The oath-taking ceremony is now to be held on the 12th of December, and we are being told that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, they will fly to Ahmedabad for the oath-taking ceremony. These are images that you see of the Chief Minister. He's of course worked hard, but he's credited both the Home Minister and the Prime Minister for this spectacular victory. You're looking at those images of BJP Karyakartas. Now, these are live images of Rivaba Jadeja and Ravindra Jadeja with her. Again, spectacular victory for Rivaba Jadeja, celebrating her victory. Laddus are being distributed all over. Rivaba Jadeja also, Milan, you spoke to her several times. She was confident of victory despite being a first-timer. We are told she campaigned very hard, Ravindra Jadeja with her, and it was very clear she had an edge from day one. Milan.
Well, absolutely, Gaurav. Rivaba Jadeja, Ravindra Singh Jadeja's wife, was also supported heavily by the previous MLA, Dharmendra Singh Jadeja, who was not given a ticket this time by the BJP from Jamnagar. And despite having that in his heart and mind, the entire BJP machinery and Juggernaut was behind Rivaba Jadeja, and that made her win. In fact, Jamnagar has been a BJP bastion, and the seat that she was contesting from was actually known for BJP's works. And Piramal Nathwani of the Reliance Industries also supported her candidature, which has also led to her husband Ravindra Singh Jadeja campaigning for her sporadically in the area of Jamnagar. And remember that particular contest was very interesting because there was a Bhabi Nanad discord within the family, where the Bhabi Rivaba was being pitted against the Nanad, who is in the Congress party, campaigning for the Congress party, Nainaba Jadeja, and that seemed to be the interesting point in her candidature. But again, the public has not taken for a Nainaba versus Rivaba contest. They have voted for BJP on the Modi factor. They have voted for BJP on the functioning of the Gujarat government, on the factor of the Modi face and the Prime Minister's face, and that has what has worked in the favor of Rivaba Jadeja. And of course, when we were listening to the trends earlier, she was leading by more than 25,000 votes behind the Congress candidate. But certainly now the final count of the results will actually determine what is the margin of her victory going to be like, Gaurav.